Okay, hi traders. So this is a video analysis on USD yen. So let's start off from the weekly, and I would like to congratulate those who had actually followed me previously on the USD yen because in my previous video analysis on USD yen, I did told the followers that there is already a potential head and shoulder around this area, and if you were to take sort of a risk um, around here, all right, you would have got this wave of the downside of it to take some pips out of it, in which I got a few trades in and I did get the TP. So the account was up like about 3% to 4% based on this move. So that was a very good move, and I hope some of the followers got into the trade. Okay, so if you don't worry. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be explaining so that you'll be able to trade for USD yen at least for next week. Okay, so let's start off from the weekly. Okay, so in the weekly I did told followers that there is a potential squeeze, okay, for USD yen. This is the squeeze that I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. Okay, and so let's go up to the daily time frame. Now the daily time frame, there's not really a very big clue right now because as of now we're still actually doing still uh downtrend. All right, so we are still sort of on the lower high, lower low, and everything. All right, so all these we're still on the downside of it. Okay, so nothing has changed. Okay, so let's go up to the 4 hourly. Now the 4 hourly is where traders might be able to take some pips out of it for next week. Okay, so let me explain why. So previously I did told the followers that there might be a potential head and shoulder. Okay, and then there is two levels that I want traders to take note of. One is the first one is this trend line. Okay, so if it breaks out this trend line, you will be able to take the trade. And I did told followers that um, be very careful because that the head and shoulder must break out of the neckline. Okay, all right. So what is happening right now is a bit complicated. Okay, now I'll explain why. Okay, so let me explain why, huh? Okay, because in actual fact, the price has actually broken out the trend line, right? Okay, for USD yen, but it did not break below the neckline. Okay, and the day of it, the daily candle close did not even break the neckline of it. Okay, so where will we be trading? Would it be a upside of it or would it be a downside of it? Okay, honestly, we do not know. Okay, because I'm not gonna be able to predict the market. But there are levels that I want traders to take note of, which I'm gonna be explaining to you so that you'll be able to take note of all these levels so that you know what to trade. Okay, so because it broke out of this trend line, okay, it doesn't mean that it's not gonna go down. Okay, why do I say so? Because if you were to draw another trend line around this area, okay, what might be happening for USD yen is that the price, if you go down to the lower time frame, what might be happening is the price might just continue to do a retest all the way up to this trend line, okay, this trend line that I have drawn, okay, and especially I told traders before that when there is an intersection, this price is going to be a very important price level, okay, because there will be two types of traders that will be looking at this level. Okay, one, okay, one of them will be this trend line. They'll be looking for their bounce. The other one of them is the one looking for the break and the retest of this trend line again. So this price level is going to be a very interesting level. Okay, so what I want traders to do is please do a horizontal line around here. Okay, what I might be expecting is the price might go all the way up towards this area, okay, or all the way up to this trend line, then come back down again. Okay, do not assume that the price coming back down is gonna break this level. This is gonna be your first profit target first. When if you were to swing from here, okay, do not assume that the price is gonna go all the way down and break this level. All right, if if the price do not, okay, now listen carefully, if the price go up to this level and break out of this trend line, meaning to say the price go out of here, okay, retest, do not assume that it's gonna break out of this. Do not assume that the price breaking out of here, the price break, the price break out of here is gonna be a definite buy. Okay, because this high must be broken before we can say that it's a definite upside. Okay, all right. So do take note on how to trade USD yen for next week. Um, these are some of the levels that I want traders to take note. So let me do a recap again. Okay, so that traders will not be confused about it. Okay, so what did I say? There are two type of traders that will be very looking into the bearish side of it. Okay, the first, the break of this trend line and waiting for the retest one. This will be the first group of traders. The second group of traders is this trend line that will be looking for continuation of the bear trend to touch here and go down. So I want traders to draw an intersection and put a horizontal line across so that you know that this level is going to be a very important level. Okay, do not buy until the price break out of here. Okay, the high of it must be broken, okay, before we can say that yes, USDA is going to continue with the upside of it. Okay, otherwise, okay, otherwise, look for continuation sell for these two groups of traders first. Okay, if the price break out of it, then look at what the price gonna do at this level. Do not do a buy now. Okay, I emphasize again, do not do a buy now, because especially the price, the bears are so heavy on selling it, but the bulls are so slow. Okay, even the last 1 hour of it, the bears are still trying to push it down. Okay, so do take note of all this. All right, I'm still on the bearish side of USD yen. Okay, not expecting any strength from USD yen yet, but if the price break out of this high, okay, then I'll be definitely looking for a more upside of it. But otherwise, for now, I will still be looking for more downside for USD yen. Okay, so I hope you like this video. It might sound a bit complicated, so if you do have any questions regarding to this video analysis, do let me know in the comment section, and I will try my best to answer you. And do like and share with all your friends for this video analysis, and follow me on trading view so that you can be updated of all the video analysis that I'll be doing for the forex pair. Okay, so thank you very much.